Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Mabel. I create content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, hit the notification button so you get posted when I upload a new video. And for my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So it's been a long while. Yeah, I've been busy with life and all of that. And yeah, so let's get to the video. As you can tell from the title, unboxing my dream Hermes bag. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, yeah. So actually I placed this order that was March last year, and I think I still have some pictures with the size comparison and all of that. And yeah, so about 2 months ago I got a call from my ex saying that she has something, and I was like, okay, I'm coming over. So I went to the store and she offered me a Kelly 28 in blue nude, and blue nude is kind of dark blue color. So I really wanted the classic one, the neutrals, and yeah, blue is also classic. What am I saying? Yeah, but she reserved it. So then I told her that no, I don't think I will be going for the blue nude. I will rather wait patiently for my dream color. And she's like, okay, no problem. So meanwhile, my girlfriend told me, oh, maybe if you reject this blue nude, and yeah, so I don't think you will have any other opportunity like of getting your dream bag and all of that. I'm just like, no, if God wants me to get it, so I'm going to get it. So, and then yeah, so I was just open and I was not really sure again if I'm going to get my order, what I order for, what I wanted. So, and then after 2 months, so I just tested my essay. I'm like, hey, my birthday is coming up November 27, and I would love to have something da 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 tan. And then she's like, okay, Mabel, you can come to the store. Like, okay, come over. So I went and she took me to the private room, you guys know. And then I waited like maybe three minutes or 4 minutes, and then she came with this beautiful box. And oh my goodness, she came with this beautiful. So, and then she came with this beautiful box. And when she opened the beautiful box, like, I was shocked. And I even thank God that I had and the mind like to say no to the brown nude, and this was exactly what I have waited for. This was exactly. So let's unbox. So actually, so guys, you guys can see she's so pretty, so beautiful. Actually, I wanted Kelly 25, and yeah, surprise I got a Kelly 28 after rejecting a Kelly 28. So I got my dream color, Kelly 28, gold hardware, Epsom leather, Cellier. Really beautiful, amazing. Like, oh my god, like I so much love her. Like, beautiful. So this the strap. So I don't think I will be using the strap. No, I just so I don't think I will be using the strap. So I just enjoy like carrying her like this, and really beautiful. And I also love this, keeping it open. And yes, so love her. So what do you guys think? Goodbye. And yeah, actually amazing goodbye. So I'm so happy, like really happy. So we've come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, so we'll be coming up with more videos, but it's going to be once a week because work, school runs like really difficult for me at this moment, like doing videos like before. So thank you all so much for watching. And yeah, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. Love you all. Bye.